Here is our ackee. See guys? Cut it guys. So what I'm going to do now guys, I'm going to turn off the fire. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Whatever time of the day it is, wherever you are, I hope you're having a wonderful time. Guys, always remember to give God thanks for the gift of life. Guys, welcome back to Elaine's Creative Cooking. Guys, on today's menu, I am going to do some ackee. We know ackee go with saltfish, but I am not going to use any saltfish today, guys. I'm going to use some bacon bits. So let me show you all the ingredients, what we're going to use to put this ackee and saltfish dish together. First thing guys, here is our ackee. I have some frozen ackees here. They are frozen. I have a piece of scotch bonnet and some pimento berries here because I like to flavor my ackees. And here I have my salt. I have my tomato here. And I have onion, scallion, sweet pepper, and a little piece of chopped scotch bonnet. And here I have my bacon bits right here. So guys, the pot is over here boiling. So what I am going to do, I'm going to add some salt. I put some salt, and I'm going to put the pepper and the pimento berries, and I'm going to put the ackee in there because when the ackees go in now, the temperature is going to drop because they are frozen. They are frozen. So guys, see there, and you know our ackee have to cook. So guys, what I am going to do now, as soon as our ackee is cooked off, I will come right back and then we start fry off our bacon here. Okay guys, the ackee is still cooking and I think it's finished cooked now, so I'm going to show it to you. Okay guys, this is the ackee. I strained it off. Sorry I couldn't show you when I was straining off the water, but I strained off the water, so I'm going to set it aside now and we are going to fry up our bacon. So here I have the oil over here heating up, so I'm going to try to see if it's hot. Okay, it's hot, so I'm going to place them in there. I had a little oil in it guys because this doesn't have a lot of fat. And guys, guess what? I don't cut them in small pieces. I'm going to wait until I fry them off before I cut them. So guys, this is what they looks like in the pot. You don't have to use frozen ackees if you don't want to, but because this is what I have at hand right now, so I use the frozen ackees. And I'm going to put tomato in my ackees, guys. You don't have to put tomato in yours. You don't have to put the berries in yours if you don't want to. But this is the way of cooking my ackee. Okay guys, they are finished, fried off. And here is what they look like. Guys, you see that they shrink. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to cut up the bigger ones. So let me show you guys. I'm going to cut the bigger ones. Guys, I don't want them to fry too crispy. Don't want to fry them until it suck out, fry out everything out of them. Guys, sometimes when we don't have saltfish, or you know, we can do anything, whether we want to put pork or chicken back or whatever. That is it, guys. So see them there, guys. I hope you see when I was cutting them. That is what they looks like. So guys, we have the pot over here. So we're going to fry up our seasoning now. Guys, I use the same bacon fat. See there? But I'm going to add a little more to it. I'm going to add a little more to it, guys. But we use the same fat from the bacon. Okay guys, so we are going to finish up. We're going to put our seasoning together, saute our seasoning, guys. So here is the onion. We're going to add in the pot now. I'm going to put the onion. Pot that is sizzling hot. See there guys, look at it. This is our onion. And guys, here I have some bouillon right here. I like to season up these seasoning onion, and like to add, I'm going to add a little to it. See guys. I put in my scallion and my pepper. My scallion and my scotch bonnet. I'm putting my sweet pepper. So see here guys, I'm going to put a little of my bouillon and my seasoning here. So season it up. Guys, you don't have to add it to yours. Instead of adding salt, instead of adding the salt, guys, just sprinkling some black pepper right here. And guys, I did add a little more oil to the pot. I don't have any yellow or red sweet pepper, so I just work with what I have. I'm going to add my tomatoes. Guys, if you don't want to put tomato in yours, you don't put it, but I just love to add tomatoes to mine. I just love the combination of the green and the red. Look at that, guys. How beautiful, how lovely it looks, very colorful. So guys, we are going to add our Ackees. And I don't want the Ackee pegs to break. Guys, you notice these Ackee pegs are small. They have some big ones. These are the smaller ones. Adding some black pepper. And my black pepper is the coarse one, guys. Coarse black pepper. So guys, I'm going to now add my bacon. I don't think I want. I'll break them a little smaller, guys. My hands are clean, guys. Break them a little smaller. I want them to distribute evenly in our Ackee dish. So instead of Ackee and saltfish, guys, we are doing Ackee and bacon bits. See guys, look at this guys, look how colorful this dish looks. How colorful. And it is. And guys, we don't want our ackee too salt because the bacon have salt in it. It's a bit salty. Guys, I'm going to cover this a little. I'm going to cover it down a little guys, and then see there guys, look at our ackee. And guys, it doesn't want anything else because remember I had the bouillon and the seasoning. There guys, and we don't want the ackee pegs to fall in, break in pieces. I'm going to cover it down a little guys and allow it to just eat it right through. So we're going to leave it down, put our flame down and flame and low. So we are going to leave it to eat right through. Here is our ackee. See guys? Cut it guys. So what I'm going to do now guys, I'm going to turn off the fire. See, look at it guys, how colorful it is. So guys, when I come back guys, your plate will be ready. Okay guys, I am back with the finishing dish of our ackee and bacon bits. So guys, this is what I serve it up with. White yam, cornmeal dumpling, and green bananas and pumpkin. Look at it guys. Yes guys, this is the finishing dish. Guys, please do enjoy this dish. Guys, thanks for coming along with me today. Thanks for watching. Guys, please remember to share and like and subscribe to my channel to help it to grow. I want to say thanks to all of those of you who are supporting me. I want to say thanks. Guys, remember to press that notification bell that whenever time I upload another video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Guys, stay safe, stay blessed guys. God bless you all.